Many people believe estate planning is something you should do when you're older, perhaps when your children have grown up and you're getting ready to retire. Unfortunately, tragedy can strike at any time. Too often, young parents put off their estate planning only for the need to arise sooner rather than later. So why should you consider drawing up your estate plan when you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s? Let's find out. Estate planning involves preparing legal documents to manage and distribute your assets should you pass away or become mentally incapacitated. There are several documents included in the typical Texas estate planning package. These are a will or will with trust arrangement, declaration of guardian, statutory durable power of attorney, medical power of attorney, and a directive to physicians, aka living will. Estate planning ensures your wishes are honored, can minimize taxes and legal fees, and can save your loved ones the hassle of a court-mandated probate. But for young parents, it has an even bigger benefit. It can allow you to choose guardians for your children. Texas law sets out a list of relatives who could be appointed as the guardian of your children if you failed to specify who you would want to serve before you pass away. The person selected may not be the person you would wish to serve. Fortunately, you can specify in your will who you want to be the guardian of your children should the unthinkable happen. A guardianship proceeding would still be required, but the court will almost always choose the individual the parents preferred. Another big benefit of drawing up your estate plan when you're young is that you can set up trusts for each of your children. This allows you to choose a trustee to control your inheritance. Additionally, you can set stipulations for when your children can receive their inheritance. Without a trust, your children immediately receive their inheritance when they turn 18. Unfortunately, as we all know, many teens don't have the financial literacy and maturity to make the best choices with their money. With a trust, you can ensure your children don't receive their inheritance until they are the age you deem fit, and place other requirements, such as they have to maintain a certain GPA in school or stay drug-free to keep receiving money. If you have a child from another relationship, estate planning is even more important. If you pass away and your spouse is still alive, your one half of the community property will go to your children from previous relationships, not your partner. Most people want their surviving spouse to receive their one half of the community property instead. You must have a will to do this. Some people think that you shouldn't draw up your estate plan too early because you'll just have to change it when a major life event happens, like the birth of a new child or a divorce. But it's fairly easy and painless to tweak an existing estate plan. As your life changes, you can amend your will by either adding a codicil, an amendment, or by drawing up a new will. We can never know what the future has in store for us, but with estate planning, you can take proactive steps to protect your estate for the children you loved so dearly. Are you ready to start your estate planning? Reach out to Adair M. Buckner today.